Welcome back to the channel. Ham's Views. Oh. We're back up on the hill for another slide and another snowstorm. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow along. It's gonna be a good one, bud. You'll enjoy it. Woo. Oh, shit. So off the regular slide in Union, I found this one. I think I'm gonna go and try and attempt to go down it, but when I come down, I gotta be careful because all these trees down here, if I can't make it that way, well, might be a mistake. But we're gonna get up there and we're gonna go try that one out. Woo! Oh, we're getting some speed now, holy! Gotta stop so I don't hit that pool, bud. Oh. Watch out, watch out! Hayden! Watch out for the fence, bud! Well, now I'll try like a snowboard. See what we can do. Whoops. Oh, fuck. Oh, holy shit! Man, it's beautiful out here, isn't it, bud? Look at those woods from the storm, nice and white. Oh, 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 stop! Be careful. Well, we're gonna do our last round. She's starting to get pretty dark up in here. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later. Sam and Hayden.
Bye.
Oh, oh. Woo! Oh.